When it comes to roofing materials, there's one choice that stands out for its timeless elegance, durability, and eco-friendliness. Copper. Copper roofs aren't just a roofing choice, they're a statement of craftsmanship and quality. Here's why you should consider installing a copper roof in your home. Unparalleled durability. Copper roofs can last for centuries, outlasting many other roofing materials. They are resistant to corrosion, extreme weather, and pests, making them a long-term investment that adds value to your home. Timeless beauty. Copper roofs develop a unique patina over time, evolving in color and adding character to your home. They complement various architectural styles, from traditional to contemporary, ensuring your home looks stunning for generations. Energy efficiency. Copper is an excellent heat reflector, helping to keep your home cooler in the summer. This reduces energy bills and makes your living space more comfortable year-round. Copper is one of the most recyclable metals, and choosing a copper roof contributes to a sustainable future. Craftsmanship. Installing a copper roof is a testament to craftsmanship. Highly skilled artisans shape and install copper to create a roof that not only protects your home but also becomes a work of art. So, why should you consider installing a copper roof? It's a decision that combines enduring beauty, unbeatable durability, energy efficiency, and an eco-conscious approach to building. Transform your home with the beauty and durability of copper roofing. Contact Palmetto Roofers, your trusted partner in roofing excellence. Reach out to us today at 864-686-4050 or visit our website at www.palmettoroofers.com to schedule a consultation and explore the world of copper roofing with the experts at Palmetto Roofers.